Now, what's your name? Just say who you are.
Joshua Krogel.
And what do you want? What are you selling?
Nothing. Nothing.
Act natural again.
Yeah, act like you acted earlier. Say, say what you're selling.
Happy New Year's to Uncle Earl and Happy New Year's to Cousin Doug and I don't know, missionary and
Hey.
Justin Calder's place up and
And you're sober now, and you're looking for what?
for something to eat.
Something to eat, Wale. Show me what you got in your pocket.
You might sober up if you give food to eat.
Just pull it out.
You don't want that.
Oh.
1,000 proof.
You don't need that stuff in here either, man. What else? So you're gonna go and do what? You got 2 more seconds. Girlfriend, who's that? What's his name?
Gee, what's his name? Kim Nuts.
So the Colts got their butt kicked today or what?
They won. Colts won. I'm happy. The Colts won. The Colts play what? They play
What about the Cowboys?
or Jets. I don't know about the Cowboys. I don't know. Who cares about them?
You do.
They lost already.
Oh, what? The boys will be back.
So you're gonna sober up when?
Tomorrow.
Then what are you gonna do? Are you gonna come by?
Yeah.
What are you gonna help me do?
After you clean up.
Shovel?
Shovel and stuff.
You're gonna be sober, so look at the camera and say, I won't be sober tomorrow.
Be sober tomorrow.
Got 5 more seconds.
Be sober tomorrow.
Alright.